This isn't just about guns. It's about control. It's about confidence. It's about getting it right. Every single time you pull the trigger. If you're serious about your shotgun game, whether for sport, protection, or patrol, you can't afford to miss this. With thousands of accessories out there, most of them useless, how do you choose what actually works? We've dug through the noise, tested the gear, and brought you the 10 most trusted, top-rated, and highly converting shotgun accessories. Available on Amazon right now. Every item here has one goal: to upgrade your confidence when it matters most. 1500 lumens, magnetic charging, tactical strobe. The Valkyrie isn't a flashlight, it's a beam of intimidation. Whether you're in home defense mode or patrolling the perimeter, this rail mount beast turns night into daylight. Designed by Delta Force legend Larry Vickers, this sling is battle-tested. With rapid adjust pull tabs and Cordura webbing, you'll go from low carry to ready to fire in under a second. It's not just a sling, it's a lifeline. Say goodbye to sore shoulders. This Airtech pad uses proprietary Navcom tech to eat recoil for breakfast. Perfect for hunters, pros, or first-time shooters, it's your ticket to tighter groups and faster follow-ups. Speed reloads save lives. With this 6-shell side saddle, your next shot is always within reach. Military-grade polymer, lifetime warranty, and a combat-proven profile from Mossberg 500 and 590s. Heading to the range? Don't look like a rookie. Savior's dual-scope pistol case protects your investment with lockable compartments, mag pouches, and a rugged tactical shell. Built like a tank, styled like a pro. Versatility meets value. These Velcro 7-shell cards stick to your buttstock or rig, giving you reload-ready options at any moment. And you get 4 of them. Talk about being locked and loaded. Where would you stick yours? Side saddle, vest, or stock? Tell us below. Precision shooting requires precision rest. These sandbags offer front and rear stabilization, whether you're bench shooting or zeroing optics. Lightweight, durable, and weatherproof. Safety starts at the trigger. This fingerprint lock stores up to 50 prints, works on rifles, shotguns, pistols, and unlocks in a flash. Because security should be smart, not slow. Respect your weapon and it'll respect you back. This elite universal cleaning kit has every brush, rod, mop, and jag you'll ever need organized in one sleek case. White light, green beam, IR illuminator, IR beam. This 4-in-1 monster is the Swiss Army knife of Weaponlight's night ops, just got futuristic. Remote compatible, waterproof, built like a spaceship. These aren't just products. They're tools for protection, performance, and preparedness. You don't buy them just to shoot. You buy them to be better, safer, smarter. Link in bio. Click it before they're gone. Every item you saw today is on Amazon ready for fast shipping. And guess what? Every click supports this channel to keep giving you the best tactical gear guides on YouTube. Like, comment with your favorite gear. Subscribe if you're serious about gear. And share this video with someone who needs to upgrade their setup. Don't let your buddies run stock. Train harder. Shoot smarter. Gear up like a legend.